What's up, girl ass? Today I'm going to be showing you how to install clip-in hair extensions like a pro, not like a beginner, but like a pro. So I did go ahead and pick up some extensions from Amazon because I told y'all I'm trying to give you guys more affordable options this year and explore because, you know, the economy is kind of I did find this set of kinky straight clip-in hair extensions, and I did pick up 2 packs. So one I believe is an 18-inch and one is a 20-inch, or sis, one might be a 16 and the other might be an 18. I'm gonna leave all the details at the bottom of the screen, that way you know. I'm gonna straighten it out. This is what it looks like up close. So it does have that really pretty, like, crinkly kind of like texture. I did go ahead and wash this hair both bundles. So it does come in like a off black kind of color, but yeah. So what I'm gonna do before I install it really quick, I have my flat iron on. I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a quick little heat pass just to see how, you know, how it'll look straightened out a little bit. So here's one piece. I'm holding this with my hand, so it's gonna be hard for me to do like the chase method. I don't think I'm gonna be able to do the chase method and hold it, so I'm just gonna go ahead. Oh wow, look at that. Do you see this piece? Let's do it next to another piece. So in comparison, this is what the 2 pieces look like. So it does straighten out nice, and it still has that nice texture. My hair is washed and straightened, but I did like 1 or 2 passes on my hair, so it's not super bone straight. So in this set, you kind of get 2 sets of each length of the weft. So this would be the longest weft, and you get 2 of these. Then here's the next set, the 2. So you see what I mean by the 2 wefts, and here's what it looks like. And y'all, these feel durable. They feel real durable. And then you get another 2 pieces of the 2 clips, and I'm holding them together, but here's what one clip itself looks like. I'll hold it against like a white background, and to me she's looking pretty full. And then you get 2 one-piece clips.